Hi, Sarah here. I've got a whole video for you today. This is from Little Rainbow Moon and it's a few bits to go with my other stuff from Little Rainbow Moon that I'm going to be using to do my TN December, documenting December daily type thing. This isn't the one, this isn't the main one, it's more going to be journaling, so not so much decoration as writing. I'm hoping that if I do this and keep on top of this, then it'll make it easier for me to do my more traditional December daily. When it comes to adding my photos, I'll have my journaling. I can just look through my TN and look at what I'd written, and then it'll be easier for me to catch up with it if by any reason I can't keep up with it in December, which is quite a possibility. Without further ado, I will show you what I got. First off, I have this. It's a creative grab bag, and this is all Christmas themed. So I'll unwrap everything and show you what's in there. And as well as that, I also got these, which are fairy duster, which I will do a little demo of at the end. It's like glitter, and the colour scheme in this matches what I'm going for my December daily, because it has metallic, that same metallic pink hue. And then I have these two tins which have some paints in, and I will show you those in a minute too. So first of all, I'll show you the papers. I have some traditional, well, not quite traditional colours, but scrapbook papers in 6x6 that are all Christmas themed. So there's this one. I do have some more of these that came in my creative kit as well. So now I have extra, so they'll all match nicely together. As I say, this is like a grab bag, so it's just some random Christmassy items to use. And there is a card and envelope here as well. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 6, I think. No, 5 by 7, I think that one is. There is this beautiful paper here that's got stitching on it, and it's like in rainbows, so it changes colour as it goes along. And then the reverse has got stitching as well, but it's a straight stitch. So that's really interesting. I have this really thick card. It feels like almost like wallpaper, that kind of really thick, really textured kind of paper with a beautiful pattern on there, lots of pink in it, which will work really well with my kit. There's this watercoloured piece. I think by the looks of that, that's a Little Rainbow Moon piece that's she's done a piece and then had it printed, scanned and printed, because that looks very much like Joe's artwork. And then there's this piece of vellum. I really need to do these, they look so wonderful. She's like printed a vellum and it's like a night sky, but it's got splashes of metallic paint on there, and this one I think is I don't know if it's the pale gold, it might just be like the sort of classic gold. Really lovely shimmer to it, the watercolour gold paints. Next, there is this piece of that, I'm not sure, it's thin, but smooth at the same time. It might be Tomo River paper, possibly. Again, it's got some of her artwork on there, or one of the guest designers, because this is a grab bag, so could be from a previous creative kit. There are wonderful presents with numbers on. I love these because I do have numbers, which I'll show you quickly at the end, but it'll be nice to have a variety so I don't use the same one each day. So those are like little stickers with a white outline. Obviously you could fussy cut them without the outline if you really wanted to, but they'll probably stand out better with it. There's these washi strips, stickers here, with lots of her artwork on as well. There is a couple of metallic papers which have got a silver sheen on them, as you can see. And there's this little sheet of presents, all individual stickers, they're teeny stickers that you can take off. Again with her artwork. And then finally there's this journal card which has a cute little quote on it. It's a lovely beautiful watercolour background with a quote. So next, just grab them all. We have a bundle of gift tags to use as journaling spots or whatever else you'd want to use them for. They're plain, there's no writing in them or anything, so you can just use them however you choose. This one's got some glitter on it. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Another one of these guys. Ooh, and there's one more of them, a little doodly robin on there too. So we have those, and then we've got these. Again, I believe this is Joe's artwork. So there's that watercolour tree. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that one. The little robin. Jingle all the way. Jingle bells. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Beautiful snowflake. Back to the beginning again. So there's those, I think they're 2x2 journaling cards as well. So just pop them down. Also in the creative kit there's these 2 tags that are ready to be altered or painted, whatever you want to do with them, or use them for journaling. Some PVA glue and a little spatula. To go with that there's some glitter. Some purples with bits of gold, teal and silver in there as well. Some washi with a snowflake on. There's lots of different snowflakes, and it's in 2 different blues, like a dark and a light blue on a cream background. These 2 chipboard pieces here. This cute little present charm. And also there's this is handmade watercolour on it, so I presume it's one of those little samples that you get onto card. Yep, it's in the colour Nightshade. I don't think I've got that one. It's not picking it up. I don't know if I can get it to pick it up on the camera. I will do a swatch of it so you can see what that looks like. It's purple. It's got a beautiful hue, but on camera it's looking black to me, so it probably isn't showing up, but I'll do that at the end. And finally, as I said, I have these watercolours and the fairy duster in Cherry Bomb. So that is everything I got. Now what I'm planning on doing, I will show we'll do swatches of these at the end in a speed up. What I'm planning on doing is, as I say, I'm using a TN and I'm going to do lots of journaling. This is the rest of my goodies that I had from the Documenting December Daily Style kit, and along with these where I've got some papers and more stickers. So this will work together with this, and then I'm just going to decorate this a little bit, but mostly it's not going to be any photographs so much as just journaling about our days that we're having, and then I can also use this to help me with my December daily. I hope that makes sense. So I'll probably do a bit of a setup, so I'll probably cover this and make it look pretty. So if I do that I will film it and share that as well. So that is what I'm planning on doing, and now I will just speed up the video and quickly show you what these look like in my swatch book. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have done, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me then please do subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!